Hey, it's Coach Ash here. Let's look at a very, very important problem that comes up many times on the SAT and even on the ACT tests, but mostly for the SAT test. The problem is like this here. You've given a triangle and then you're given, like, it's got this tail here, this part, right, that extends it, and you're given an angle here. As soon as you see this, you can use this shortcut called the exterior angle idea, exterior angle theorem. What's the exterior angle? It's this angle here when you extend it and it's got like this tail thing here, right? So what do you do here is just one very simple idea. This part here is equal to, right, is equal to this plus this. It's a very easy and a quick shortcut. Otherwise, you'll have to spend a lot of time solving it. So I'm giving you an easy shortcut. So how would you solve this? You're just gonna write 120 is equal to how much plus 50, because this angle, right, is equal to these two angles inside, not this angle. This part you want to ignore, these two, right? So this thing which is on the outside is equal to these two inside, and that's it. So how much would this be? You can move 50 to the other side and it's 120 minus 50, which gives you 70 as the answer. So this is a very fast way to solve it. Otherwise you'll have 3 or 4 steps. Remember, every few seconds you save on the SAT test or any test, you can use that to solve even harder problems. So this is like a medium level problem, but it's a good strategy to memorize. So let's try one more of the same type. So what if this is 100 degrees here and this angle here is 40 degrees, right? Real quick, I'm pretty sure you're able to solve this. All the people who work with me, they use this strategy and it's helped them to boost their score. Let's look at another application of the same idea. You see, whenever you see a triangle and you see this tail, right, like this extra part, you see a full triangle and you see this thing extended like this and you see a number here, you can use this shortcut that I told you. This value 140 is equal to the remaining part. Is this 140 equal to this part? No, it's equal to the ones that are away from it. You ignore this part, look at these two angles and just copy them down. So 140 is equal to how much plus 45 degrees. So you want to find out is how much. You move the 45 to the other side and this is gone. So the value is 140 minus 45, which is 95 degrees. And that's it. You can solve this as quick as you want in less than 5 seconds. You'll save a lot of time for the harder problems. That's the goal of using this shortcut. All right, you try it now. What if this is 120 degrees and this one is 30 degrees here? How will you do it? This is equal to what plus what? Is it equal to this plus this? What is it equal to? This is equal to what plus what? Think you can solve it in your head. Post the answers in the comments and let's try the next one. Now, this is a type of a problem where the shortcut really shines. It's super crazy if you want to solve this problem by using other methods. Remember, this is a problem with a tail, right? When a triangle has a tail, you use this tail shortcut, the exterior angle theorem. What does it say? This tail angle here, you write it first. And this is equal to the addition of the remaining triangles. You ignore the one which is to the side, you look at these two, and you simply write them down. So you can write this one 4x plus 2, which is this one, plus 30. How easy is that? Now you just want to find the value of x. You don't even actually need to read this. You see this tail here? Boom, you solve this problem this way. All right, so how can you solve this? You move the 4x to the other side, which means you subtract the 4x, right? So this is gone. 6 minus 4x gives you 2x. And the 8 here, you subtract the 8 from here, right? So I'm going to get 2 plus 32. Right, which is, I'm going to write down here, 2x is equal to 32, and this 8x, right, it's 8 plus this became 2x is equal to 32, and this 8 I'm going to subtract over here. So what do you get? So you get 2x, right, this is gone. 2x is equal to 32 minus 8, which is 24, and then easy, you isolate it and you got the answer of 12. So find the answer of x, it's 12, and that's your answer. All right, now you try it. Instead of 30, we're just going to change this number to 50. This is just good practice for you. So what do you do? Remember, this is the tail problem. So what do you do? 8 plus 6x is equal to 4x plus 2 plus, yes, I think you got it, plus 50. And then you solve it. You move this here, you move this here, and then you will find the value of x. So let me know what's the answer of x. Post your answers in the comments. This is a super useful, very easy shortcut that you definitely want to memorize and use in your test. All right, let's try this final problem now. This is a slight challenging problem. overall, if you solve it without our shortcut, it gets even crazier. But remember, this triangle has a tail here, and this triangle has a tail here. So you can use the shortcut. What's the shortcut? This tail is 130. So can you find out what is this one? Right? Remember, it's 130 is equal to what plus 80? You get this one. Now remember, this is 90. So whatever angle you get here, you can subtract 90 it from 90. So 90 minus this, whatever this blah 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 angle is here, you're going to get this one. And then this one is again the tail. So this tail is equal to this plus this. So I think you can do this in your head. Try it. It's very easy. Post your answers. You can see how useful the shortcut is. Remember, if you want more shortcuts, you of course can subscribe to this channel, but also every week I have a live session, usually on Sundays or Saturday afternoons. So just subscribe and join the session. We have a lot of fun, a lot of problems. We solve them together. It's fun. It's not even like studying, and you'll remember a lot, and it's free. So hopefully you'll enjoy this, and I'll see you again in my live sessions. All right. See you then. Bye.